The one and the only text that has influenced my mind, my behavior, is the Quran, the book of the Almighty. There could not have been any other text that could have influenced me. The Quran put across a challenge to me. It raised a very serious question before me by stating that it was God's, my Creator's text. Obviously, I had no choice but to understand the Quran and come to a conclusion based on my understanding whether the claim of the Quran that it was my Creator's work, message was right or not. And it did not take me very long, even though there were questions, I did have struggle. But I came to the conclusion that the claim of the Quran that it was God's text was absolutely correct. And the more I read the Quran, the more I feel that the claim is making a lot of sense. It is the Quranic text that has influenced me all along. I've not been up to the mark, I do realize, in being able to understand the Quran befittingly and being able to practice it the way it deserves to be practiced. But there is no doubt about the fact that all along my life, it is the Quran that has been the biggest influence in my life. And I wish and pray that it remains the case till the very last day of my life.